Today I will show you how to create a simple timer. First, let's add a background node. Then add a text plus node. In the text node, right-click in the text field and select timecode. This will add a modifier. Open it and we can adjust it here. For our needs, we only need the seconds. Keep it at 24 frames per second, since that's the frame rate of our project. When you play the clip, you will see the numbers counting up, but we want it to count down. Add a time speed node and place it after the text node, as we only want to affect that one node. Simply change the speed from 1 to -1. Next we need our graphic element. In our case it will be a circle. So take an ellipse, which will serve as a mask for another background node. Turn off solid on the ellipse and increase the border width. The background node is used to display the color of the circle. We can change the size of the circle. To maintain the aspect ratio, you can set a simple expression just by drag and drop. We will animate it using length. First, set the position where you want the circle to start. For length, set modify with anim curves. Then, in the modifier itself, you can check invert. You can do the same for the colors, so at the end of the timer the circles turns red. Set an anim curve for the green and blue colors and check invert. And that's almost it. Now you can extend the fusion clip as needed, and the timer will adjust accordingly. However, there's one catch. If you want the clip to stop at the end, you need to create a compound clip from the fusion clip. Then on the compound clip, create a freeze frame on the last frame. As a bonus, to make it more dramatic, you can cut the last 3 seconds and add, for example, shake transition for 5 frames at the beginning of each cut. But it's up to you and your imagination. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it somewhat clear and useful. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.